Water and water alone will supply what the body needs. Many are sick purely because of dehydration. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a not negotiable thing.
In this video, we have summarized 5 rules for correctly drinking water from one and only Barbara. We will first look at why we need to drink water scientifically, followed by 5 important rules for correctly hydrating your body. The last part will focus on how much we need to drink a day, so stay tuned until the very end.
Every day we lose a lot of water. We lose moisture while we sleep from our skin, 1.5 litres from our kidneys, 0.5 litres from our skin, 3 litres from our colon, and 2 litres from our lungs. That's a total loss of 2.5 litres a day that must be replaced. We don't have a reserve tank. The only water that goes into the body is the water that we drink. Your fruits and vegetables also supply some fluid, but we need to have at least 2 litres of pure water a day. I often quote from books written by Dr. B.M.H. Gage, an Iranian medical doctor and researcher on water metabolism in the human body. He believed dehydration is the main cause of disease based on his experience treating peptic ulcers during his detention in Evin Prison by using water when medication was unavailable. He wrote numerous books to share his knowledge, including one titled "One of the Body's Many Cries for Water." Another title is "He's Not Sick, He's Thirsty." He also wrote "Don't Treat Thirst with Medications." When we are dehydrated, our body goes into drought management and releases a hormone called histamine. Histamine moves around the body to maintain full blood volume in the major arteries and veins to try to keep our body alive. It takes a bit of water away from our joints, which can lead to painful joints, and it also takes water away from the lining of our stomach, which has a thick mucosal wall that is 99% water. This can result in stomach ulcers. Water is also taken from the brain, where we are 85% water. When water is taken away from the brain cells shrink, leading to headaches and negative thought patterns. Therefore, it is absolutely non-negotiable that we need to drink 8 glasses of water a day. The first rule is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. This means we need to sip water throughout the day and start early. Keep water in your car, by your bed, in the kitchen, and at your workplace. Sip, sip, sip. Start hydrating your body and see the difference. The earlier you start, the more water you can consume. The next 2 rules relate to the stomach lining. The first place that water is lost is the stomach. We have a thick mucosal lining in our stomach that contains sodium bicarbonate, which neutralizes stomach acid. When dehydrated, the lining can become thin, leading to damage from stomach acid. Our body's microorganisms change roles and become a cleanup team, with Helicobacter pylori blamed for stomach ulcers. Dr. Gage claimed to have cured 3,000 cases of stomach ulcers with water alone. The second rule is to drink a glass of water half an hour before meals. This thickens the mucosal lining of the stomach. The third rule is to avoid drinking water during meals. A client of Barbara had ulcers but was drinking 2 litres of water daily, often with meals, diluting his hydrochloric acid, which is antibacterial. He was dehydrated between meals, allowing Helicobacter pylori to thrive. By drinking between meals instead, he allowed his stomach lining to thicken and hydrochloric acid to effectively eliminate the bacteria. The fourth rule is to try to limit caffeine drinks, which can dehydrate us. Caffeine and sugar are dehydrating agents, so consuming tea, coffee, or sodas can further contribute to dehydration. Finally, the 5th rule is to take some Celtic salt before drinking water. The minerals in Celtic salt help absorb water better in cells. The cell membrane is a double-layered structure and water needs help to enter the cell. The highest concentration of minerals inside the cell is potassium, while outside it is sodium. Sodium-potassium pumps in the membrane maintain this balance. Celtic salt, harvested using traditional methods, contains magnesium, which is a water-hungry molecule and acts as an electrolyte, supporting proper hydration. As for how much water you should drink based on your body weight, here's a rule of thumb. For every 100 pounds, drink 8 glasses of water. For 50 pounds, drink 4 glasses of water. I hope you found these insights helpful for promoting healthier hair and overall well-being. If you have any questions or need further advice, please drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips, and explore our other videos for more ways to enhance your wellness journey. Take care and see you in the next video.